Moving the motion, the Deputy Speaker, Bright Usayande, said the situation of flood in the state is assuming an alarming dimension and there was need for the relevant authorities to sensitize the people on the need to stop dumping refuse in the drains. The Deputy Speaker, who was supported by some other members, agreed that the motion was timely, especially now that the rain is here and flood is taking over some areas.
Our current governor has invested so much to ensure that cities are cleansed always. It is therefore imperative to complement this tireless effort, particularly in the aspect of the city and sanitization of our drainage system.
The Ministry of Environment to please educate our people on ways and methods of dumping our refuse, our waste and roads. Even in the cities, people inside cars, whatever they have consumed, they throw it on the streets.
Greatest problem, chief witness, you are distracting us, is actually sensitization. Because if people know what dropping refuse in drains will do to them, I think they will want to look for it. Most of our problems can be solved with adequate sensitization.
Some other members who felt that the responsibility should not lie alone with the citizens said local governments should also have their share of the blame. They advocated that environmental sanitation should not be a monthly affair but weekly, to be so carried out mostly by the officials of the relevant bodies.
People a major problem than the dumping of refuse. Who gives permissions to builders? Who are the regulating bodies? Go to GRA, the so-called GRA. There is no one doing it there, even very close to the House of Assembly. The river that is always there is almost to the chest.
We have to look at housing and urban development ministry. There are rules and regulations for development. A situation where people develop properties on streets, on areas marked for drainages. We have to ensure people are discouraged from that.
The Speaker, Victor Edoro, after giving members room to amend some grey areas of the motion, summed up deliberation this way. Also at plenary, the Speaker directed some former aides of the immediate past Speaker to return official vehicles in their possession, or the police will be used to retrieve the cars from them. The House also entertained a petition from civil society group over the alleged killing of one Benson Obobi by Special Anti-Robbery Squad, Lagos, allegedly aided by their counterpart in Benin. The Speaker directed the petition to the House Committee on Security and co-opted the member representing Incessant North-East Constituency 2, since the deceased is from his constituency, to submit report within 2 weeks. Sequel to the findings and recommendations of the House to the House Standing Committee on Local Government and Chieftaincy Affairs, the suspension order placed on the head of service and treasurer of Owan West Local Government has been lifted, while their salaries should be paid up to date. Efosa Uwangwe reporting.